Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. We are back at it, but this time we are on SPT Kevin's first gen Lightning. This is the big block truck. We've got some sound issues. We don't like the way this thing sounds. It's got a set of, what is it, FLOMAX? Ultraflow. They're like straight through stainless mufflers that have nothing. It's almost like a glass pack. And guys, it's just not the sound we're going for on this truck. So what we're gonna do is a before and after comparison with this exhaust, and then we're gonna be switching it to a set of FLOMASTER Super 44s. I got a feeling they're gonna sound a lot better, a lot smoother, more, I would say less poppy. That's what it is. It's almost poppy when you get on the throttle. Maybe an H-pipe or something could fix it, but we're not that fancy. We're gonna try these first. What we decided to do is actually, this is the exact spot we're gonna put the mufflers on. We're gonna do like a before clip right now. We're gonna do a little bit of idling. It's got a little cam, it sounds okay. Then we're gonna do light revs, Kevin. And just give you an idea what it sounds like before we put these Super 44s on. It's so loud. Actually, it like tickles your eardrums. It's so loud. It's just not enough muffler. Well, there's no going back now. Just don't cut the drive shaft.
Yeah, I was worried about that. Oh damn, I forgot to move my muffler. I didn't run that bitch over.
Where is it? Oh, it's way up there. Do you have any muffler lube with you?
Might be in my car.
Alright, so we got both the old mufflers out. These are the Ultraflow stainless straight throughs. I mean, there's nothing to those. So hopefully this is going to be a lot better. He's already got the mufflers under the truck right now, about to weld them in. Alright, so we've got the mufflers tacked in there. It's not going to be so much an apples to apples test because we decided to change the exhaust a bit. We got rid of the hole over the axle bit. We have it turning down about 20 inches or so out of the muffler, so it turns down and out just a little bit towards those back tires. So we're going to go ahead and give it a test hit right now, see what it sounds like up on the jack stands, and try to get motivated to finish burning it in.
Much more drivable.
I think it sounds great.
Yeah.
Sounds big blockier. So now that I've cleaned up the mess, we're gonna send Kevin down the road in the big block Lightning with a camera to see how he likes the new exhaust. So far so good, but he did stop to do a burnout. We had a little bit of transmission trouble. This thing's jumping from first to third. I'm not really sure what the deal is. Also, when he got home, it looks like the front brakes are dragging and we just about set the front of the truck on fire. So determined not to disappoint, I decided to get another car out, the Super Sport Monte Carlo, and go do my own burnout just to end the video off on the right note. Unfortunately, the only smoke I made today was from my clutch. So we've got another project on the list, guys, and on that horrible disappointment, thanks for watching. See you next time.